I'm Samantha Rain, the development chef here at Henley Bridge, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make vegan chocolate mousse. For all the ingredients and tools used in this video, please refer to the description section. In this recipe, the ingredients that we're using are the Potatowhip to act as our egg substitute, the vegan mousse gelatin as our gelling agent, and the xanthan gum to provide some texture and stability to our recipe. So for our first step, we need to take our chocolate, melt it in the microwave to 55 degrees. Next, we're going to add in our sunflower oil. So we're going to keep this mixture to one side. We're then going to take a pan, our water and our vegan mousse gelatin. We're going to bring them up to the boil to activate. So now that this mixture is boiled, we're going to bring back our bowl of melted chocolate and sunflower oil, and we're going to pour little by little the gelatin solution into our chocolate and blend to emulsify. Now that this mixture is completely emulsified, we're going to keep this to one side, but make sure to keep it warm and keep it at 45 degrees. Next up, we're going to make the meringue. So for the first step, we're going to take our water and our Potatowhip and start whisking it in the KitchenAid. Now we're ready to start whisking at medium speed. While we wait, we can get our xanthan gum weighed out and mixed into our sugar. So our meringue has now been mixed in for about 5 minutes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it back on, but on a slow speed, and I'm going to slowly start adding my sugar and xanthan gum. After that, I'm going to turn it back up to a medium speed and mix it for a further 10 minutes. Now, as you can see, we've got the most amazing, thick, glossy vegan meringue. So for our final step, we need to bring these two mixtures together. In 3 stages, we're going to add our meringue to our chocolate mixture. Then we're going to quite quickly put the mixture into a piping bag and get it into our silicone moulds. And into the freezer. Now our mousses are completely frozen. All that's left is for us to turn them out, let them defrost and enjoy.